Hey, good morning, everyone. Congrats to all the Indian cricket fans. Yeah, that was a good match. It was like, yeah, nice victory over Australia. Hope mm, you might have seen it and enjoyed it. So that's why, yeah, I started the session a little late. Now, right? First, let me remind you the concepts, right? We have a systematic approach. If we use that systematic approach, 80 to 90% of the time we'll make gains. Right? Again, there will be always those black swan events, some sudden news or something where we will have the 10-15% losses. But other than that, if we use the approach, we'll win it. So I'll explain the approach and then so we can use that approach for stocks, options, futures, whether you trade in your individual accounts, you trade in the prop firms, whether you trade options, stocks, futures, the concept is same. So I'll explain the concept first. So we have four major indicators. One of them is price pulse, one of them is T3, then we have T5, T55. So we have two different types of approaches if we are doing manual trading. So whenever we receive an alert for T3 buy, right? For example, T3 indicator is telling that it will go up. Then we have to check whether the candle is close to the T3 line or not. And then we have to check whether we have blue bars in the T55. We have to check whether there is a nice gap between the green and white lines. Then one more check I also included is it is better we look at what is the overall trend, right? If the table is looking mainly green, that means trend is bullish. If the table is mainly looking red, except only exception is when there are huge buy order blocks. That is the only exception. Otherwise, whenever you receive a buy alert, we have to look at this momentum and strength table. If all these are true, then we can enter a long position. In the same way, whenever you receive a sell alert in 5 minutes during US hours, we have to see whether the price is not far from T3 and T5 line. Check for red bars, check for a gap between the red and white line, and momentum and strength should be mainly red for the majority of the time frames, especially because we do most of the time day trading for prop firms. You have to look 1 5 15. If 1 5 15 are looking red, that means trend is bearish. Or if 1 5 15 are looking green, that means trend is bullish. If the trend is bearish, then we have to mainly look for sell signals. If the trend is bullish, we have to mainly look for the buy signals. In that way, you are not going against the trend. So same rules, whether you use price pulse or T3, the rules are same. You can receive a buy alert from T3 or sell alert from T3, or you can receive a buy alert from price pulse or sell alert from price pulse. So if you remember these two rules, if you take a printout of this, keep it near your table or somewhere, and then if we take the trades, right now you understood the rules. Now we'll take some live trades, and then you can see that when we follow a proper systematic approach, how we can make 85 to 90% of the time we can make money. So let's go to trading view and then start taking some trades now. So your first trigger is you need to get a buy or sell signal, right? Let us go and check. So, so first thing is we can go and create an alert, right? For example, I'm creating an alert on this T3 buy sell alert. So whenever on any future sticker I get a T3 buy sell signal, I can do the same thing even for all the stocks also. For futures and stocks, I'm going and creating an alert. So I can create an alert on price pulse or T3. For today, I'll explain you T3. And then I'm saying whenever there is a buy or sell from T3, let me know. Give me a notification because you cannot keep on watching hundreds of charts one by one. So whenever there is a buy or sell, you will receive a notification. Here I'll change it to maybe reversal. Yeah, okay, that's but now. So now whenever we receive, right? So now we have to look in the log. Whenever we receive some signal, for example, now we got a T3 buy sell signal for copper. So now I have to go here and you see whether it is because now you have a one notification for both buy and sell. If you want, you can create one by one for buy, one for sell. But because TradingView will give you a limited number of alerts. So instead of using one alert for buy, one alert for sell, what we are doing, we created one single alert for buy and sell. So now if you go to here, you see there is a sell. But here you see there are some blue bars. So here it is red. Here it is red. So it is little risky. If this is also red, then we can enter and maybe it will come all the way down. We can take the profits because there is no 100% confidence, right? This came all the way to the bottom from the top. So again, there is a possibility we can make profit, but we are not getting 100% confidence. Better because you have so many tickers, so many opportunities. We don't want to take something where you are not 100% confident, right? Here, this is telling us some buyers are coming into the market. Here, it is showing sellers. Here, the table is mainly red. Here also we got a sell. Here also red. But just one of them is telling it may start going up. So we always need to look for a reason to not to take a trade. So okay, now I got a reason not to take a trade, right? So it is better you avoid it because there will be so many, right? Every day you will have hundreds of notifications. We don't need to we don't need to enter something with a FOMO, right? It's okay. Even it may make profit, that's fine because we are seeing something which is telling that price may go up. I am not taking a trade, right? Because in trading, our main objective is, especially if you have prop firm trading, even if you make 200, 300, I can copy into 10 accounts, make $3,000 within 5, 10 minutes. So I don't want to risk by taking a wrong trade, right? Even though I have one, two, three, four conferences are telling it will go down, but one of them is telling it may go up. But still, I want to stay with, right? Stay little cautious and avoid whenever, if all the five are telling me it will go down, I can go ahead and take the trade. But I have one which is telling it may go up, so I'm just avoiding the trade here. Right? I hope it is clear for everyone. We need to identify a reason not to take a trade. In that way, you will be very cautiously trading. You will not be blowing your accounts. Okay, now we have a lot more alerts. Right? Okay, let us go to something else. So all we need to look for that T3. So okay, now I got an alert for SNPS. Okay, I got a buy alert for SNPS. I got a T3 buy. I got a price pulse buy. Volume is looking good. This one is looking good. This one started. But the momentum. is only in 5 minutes or 1 minute, it is looking bullish. In all other time frames, it is still looking bearish. So again, to be right, if you want to take 1 5 15, if they are bullish, then you have 90% chance of making money. Because 5 15 are still red, it is better we wait, right? Or you have to see a big buy order block here. If there is a huge buy order block, even though 1 5 15 are red, there is a high possibility for it to go up. So that's why let us also reject this trade. Okay, now let's look at Lulu. We got a buy signal. So now here you can see it is bullish, right? This came all the way to the bottom, started moving up. This is bullish. Your volume is completely bullish. Your momentum is also for 1 and 5, it is bullish. So for this is much better than all the previous signals. So there is a high possibility for Lulu to go all the way to $345. So if we want, we can go ahead and get Lulu calls. Lulu. Lulu calls are little very, the spread and ask are very wide. So $7, $8 for 342.5. Yeah, because the bid and ask is very, very far. Let us, right? If they are between 10 cents, 15 cents difference, it's okay. But you are buying $7, $8 spread. That means you are already starting with a $50 loss, $60 loss. So yeah, if anybody, if there are any stocks traders, they can just buy it. It will go all the way to 345 plus now. So what do you think about this one? Right, I'm enabling the chat. You all can tell me whether the CXPE is a good one to trade or not. Good one to buy stocks or buy options or buy do bull puts. What do you think? It is right. Again, it is just like a checklist. Okay, this is looking good. This is looking good. Here, this is looking good. Your volume is looking good. Your momentum is 1 minute. It is good. 5 minutes also it is good. So slowly it is going up. It came all the way to the discount zone where the big companies will start buying. Here you can see some more buyers. So there is a high possibility for it to go all the way till 192. So now we have to just go and check, okay, what is EXPE? Expedia, we have to go and see if the calls are, if the premiums are looking good. 0.26. Again, the spreads are except 182.5. I am buying something around 5.5, 185 call for March 7th. EXPA 185 call for March 7 at $5.5. You got a price pulse buy, you got a T3 buy. So the trend is becoming bullish. This is bullish. Momentum is becoming bullish. So it is looking good. By today or tomorrow, it will go all the way to $192. Then our 500 will become $700, $800 for each contract. So that's how we need to just show. Now we got another alert for cat. Same thing, we got a PP buy, but volume is not looking good. Momentum is also still not looking good. We got for ZS, Z scalar. This is good. This is good. There is a huge buy order block here. When there is a huge buy order block, then our chances are more for price to go up because big companies are investing hundreds of thousands of dollars here. They are buying this many stocks. So even if price comes here, they will again push it up. So this is also a good opportunity. Jet scalar 185 call ZS. Can take a small position for Z scalar. Uh, 674. You take 190 call at around $9 for Z scalar. So we got EXP 185 call. We got Z scalar calls. Um, Z scalar is quickly going up. So I hope it is making sense, right? First we went through the rules, then we are just following the rules. This is bullish, this is bullish. Our momentum and strength is looking good. We see a lot of buy orders here. We see buyers here, volume here. That's it. We got a perfect confluence. So when you have a perfect confluence, you have 90% chance of making money, right? All it takes is a few seconds, right? Initially, it may take 1 minute, but later you can see that, oh, this is green, this is blue, this is green, this is green, this is green. Here I have buyers. Here I see big companies are buying. Here I see buyers. My price pulse is blue. My T3 is green. My T5 is green. So it's all about looking for the colors. If all the colors are good, then within few minutes we'll make nice profits. So already 10% up on that scalar. We'll be having hundreds of alerts. We need to see, okay, if you see some good companies, you can go and check them. So Monday, it is moving very choppy. Spotify. If for workday, we can see there are a lot of buyers at the bottom. It came all the way to the discount zone. There are a lot of buyers. This is blue. This is green. The 1 minute is green. So yeah, most probably this should go all the way to 251.3. If it breaks that, it can go all the way to 253.46. Okay. I got 242.5 call for workday at $9. Only reason, right? If the momentum is still only in here, 1 minute is green, five are red, but because I see major buyers are buying here, so we have some additional. So this is 1 point, this is 2 points, this is 3 points, then 4 points. So even though I don't, 4 out of 5 is, yeah, there is a high possibility for price to, because big companies will try to push it up. There will be more new companies. So there are buyers, right? First, the big companies are buying, then few more are buying, then few more are buying. Then here we can see buyers, here we can see. So there is a high possibility they will push the price all the way to, right, the rest where there are sellers. It may go all the way till that point. Whenever it goes there, we can take the profits. So now we took Z scalar. We took all the three tickers, right, this morning as of now. Expedia, is it Expedia or Expedian? Yeah, Expedia. We took Expedia, we took Workday, we took Zscaler, right? EXP is also moving good. It went up, small pullback, again trying to go up, right? You can see that your momentum is turning green. Trend strength is turning, right? It is bullish. The strength is increasing in the buyer in this momentum, which is good. And then this T3 line is green, T5 is green, your price pulse is blue, your 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, the volume is becoming more and more bullish. This is blue, this is green. So price can go all the way to our target is $192.31. It can go all the way there. Then we can take the profits. Same thing for workday. Our target is $251. Where Z scalar, it is going very good. Out of all, it is moving very, very quick. Z scalar, our target is around this area. 180, so it can go all the way till 189. That made already, it is moving quickly. So more and more buyers are buying this Zscaler. Buyers, buyers, buyers. So there is a lot of interest for this stock. So very soon, if it breaks this resistance, then it can go all the way till 194. That is the second target. If it breaks it, then if it also breaks that, you have 198, 199.7 is the next resistance. So if we see any good news in the market, suddenly market will start bouncing back because it dropped so much yesterday, today morning. There is a high possibility market will reverse in a few minutes and then all these stocks will go up so much. Right? Retail traders will be panic, they will be selling off. But market makers will buy at the discount. Right? The same stock yesterday was trading around yesterday it was trading around $200. Today it is trading around $185. So now big companies are buying it left and right. So retail traders will sell it off with a panicness, whereas big companies will buy it. So we want to buy when the big companies are buying, so you can also make profit like the big companies. So more or less, okay, we got for Cisco. So until you receive an alert, don't take any trade. Only when you receive an alert, then we need to go and check, okay, are there any big buyers here? Or is this one good? Is this good? Is this good? Like that. Okay, here I don't see any big buyers. Still my momentum is red. So I don't have a very strong confidence here. Right? Only I got a buy. This is okay. This is okay. But here still, so only exception is you need to see big buy orders here. Then even though table is red, we can go ahead. But here I don't see buy orders. So you can just leave it. As I told you, every day we'll have 40, 50, 100 opportunities. So you don't need to enter with a FOMO and enter a trade, which may just go up and again come quickly. If big companies are buying, they will push it up. No, GF. So we got a sell signal here, right? I got a power price pulse sell and also T3 sell. I have a T3 sell. I have a price pulse sell. The volume is completely red. This is also red. Momentum is also red. Only here I have some buyers. If this also turns to red, then we can enter and it can come all the way down till here. This is a future sticker. If I want to take little risk, I can take and enter it. Uh, can take profit trader. Do not accept the sticker. Okay, we'll see something else. So what do you think about this GD, General Dynamics? GD, do you think it is a good one to enter? We got a T3 buy. Yeah, overall momentum is very bullish. There is also strength. We got a buy signal. Our T3 is green, T5 is green, 1, 5, 15. We got a buy here, we got a buy here. Then we can go ahead and buy GD 255 calls. GD stock. mm, GD 255 call at $3.4. To GD also. Then let's look at some future stickers now. We took nearly four option trades. So let us look into some futures. So most of the airlines will start moving up now. So crude oil, We got a buy signal on crude oil, but there are a lot of sellers here, so we can avoid it. If it breaks that, then we can enter long. So this is not the first buy. If it is a first T3 buy, that is a good one. It already moved up. Then we got another T3 buy. So we can wait for some more time on that. Pay is moving very bullish today, even the market is down. But it already went to the premium zone. From nearly $65 or 64, it went to 67. EDI also started moving, but yeah, let's go and look at SPX. If we come back to the T3 line and again bounce back, so now slowly buyers started coming. There is nearly 40 million buy order block here. So price consolidated for some time and then started moving. So here you can see buyers. Here you can see buyers. The volume is slowly turning to bullish. If price comes here and then starts again going up, we can enter a bull put spread somewhere, right? We can go all the way down, right? Here we have 40 million, here we have 167 million. Uh, so we can do somewhere here, right? We can go all the way down and do a bull put spread. There is a high possibility for price to go much further high because already it dropped so much yesterday, today morning. It will start going up all the way to 58.10. So from bearish, it started going towards the upside, right? From the bottom, it is upside. That means it is more bullish. It is turning more bullish now. So if you are doing bull put spreads, always based on your account size. If you have a 30,000 account, take one or two contracts maximum, right? It is not like calls. If you are collecting, if you are paying $1, you can take 10 contracts. But if you are doing bull put spreads, that means your risk is, for example, for March 4th. So now SPX started going up. So now I can go to ES. We can also take long on ES. So I took a long position on ES. And also we can take SPX bull put spread. You can also get SPX 50 5705 5695 bull put. So we made quickly, we made nearly $250 with ES long. And because we saw that it is completely bullish, it came to the T5 line and again it started moving up. This is moving up, this is moving up, this is moving up. So at the same time, you can make money with futures, you can make money with SPX bull puts, you can make with SPY bull puts, you can make with QQQ bull puts, you can make money with TQQ bull puts. So there is a high possibility for QQQ to go all the way till nearly 58.21. Right? That is the previous day low that will act as a resistance. So there is a high chance for it to go all the way till there. Now, what are the positions we took? Here, yes, also you can see that there is nearly 30,000 buy orders, right? Big companies are trying to buy now. They brought it all the way down. Then there is a huge buy order block. There is a T3 buy, price pulse buy. Your price pulse is blue. Your T3, T5 is green. This is green. This is blue. This is green. This is green. This is green. So very high possibility for price to go all the way in this 58.20. Now your GD is moving good. So if SPX starts moving, then all these stocks will move very, very fast. Let us also look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA also should start moving now. The PP buy, T3 buy, it went all the way from 112 to $115. It is still trying to go up further. It can go all the way till 116, $117. But yeah, because we already have multiple options, let us take some more features. I'm entering long on ES one more time. Yeah, because it is trying to break this resistance and trying to go up. I can see there is a lot of bullishness here, bullishness here. So there is a possibility for price. If it breaks this, it will go all the way till this. Again, we have sellers here, can go all the way till that point. So again, if this trade is going into 510 accounts, so even if you make $100, that is $1,000 profit. That is the advantage with the prop firms. Your SPX is going up. Right? Here I see momentum is green in 1 minute, 5 minutes. In next few minutes, 15 also will become green. This is looking green. This is looking blue. So I can hold the trade with confidence because I have a lot of indicators telling me that price can go up. Right? In order to avoid any sudden major bad news or something, you look at last three, four candles or five candles. Okay, one, two, three, four, five. Out of this, see where is the lowest candle. Okay, this is the lowest candle. Now you go and we can just add a stop loss there. So suddenly if there is again some bad news from Trump, right? Again about some tariffs or something about China or something, then you can go take a small stop loss. So we just added a stop loss there. So even though we are looking at some other tickers, you don't need to worry about this one, right? Or you have to go to some sudden meeting or something. You don't need to worry about your trade. If it goes up, you will make nice profits, right? It may make $500,000 profit. If it comes down, you will have some three, $400 loss. You don't need to keep watching it and you don't wait for it to come down and then take a stop loss. Whenever you take a trade, you just go and add a stop loss below this price pulse line or below this. Okay, out of these five candles, where is the my lowest value? This is the lowest candle. So go here and or go here and put a stop loss little below that so that even sudden drop also it won't impact you. Do you think Nvidia is looking good? Do you think we can go for 115 calls for Nvidia? This is looking good. This is looking good. You got a PP buy, you got a T3 buy, you have buyers here, you have big buyers here. Your momentum trend strength is looking good in 1 minute, 5 minutes. In 15 also it is nearly bullish. So yeah, we can go and get Nvidia calls. Nvidia 115 call. Nvidia 115 call is around $3.7. NVIDIA 115 call with 3.7 for 37. So NVIDIA is going up quickly, right? Your ES is going up quickly, right? It made nearly $900. So if you have 10 accounts, that is nearly $9,000 profit, right? That is good enough. $1,000 profit. I can take profit on that. Your SPX is moving huge. Your SPX bull puts or SPY bull puts, QQQ bull puts, PQQ bull puts, whatever you have taken, everything is moving huge. Your GD is moving good. Your NVIDIA is moving good. Your ZS is moving. ZS moved so good. So you can take profits on ZS. That made nearly 20% within few minutes. So because there is a sell order block, again it can break that by looking at the current strength. It may break it, but better you take the profits. If we want, we can enter one more time. Your ES made a good, nice move. So if anybody want, they can do some bull puts on ES. You can get ES 5780, 5790 bull puts. You sell 5790 call, buy 5780 call, collect the premium. So if it stays above that, then all that money is yours. It is moving very bullish. Your SPX is moving very good. NVIDIA is moving very good. So NVIDIA made nearly 10-15% within few minutes. Thing moving huge. This if it breaks that resistance, it will go to $194. ES is non-stop. SPX is non-stop. So do you see the value, right? We saw buyers, we saw buyers, we saw price pulse T3, this one, this one, this one, this one. And then we went for 50, 60 points below and then took a bull put that already made, even with 10 contracts, that made five, $600 or even with five contracts. If we get a pullback, we can enter ES long one more time, right? We should always wait for the candle to come close to our T5 line and then again it will go up, right? Price will never go up in one way. It will go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, come down. So that's why it went all the way up. I took some $1,000 profit. Again it came down. Again it started moving up. Again I entered. I took profit. Again I am waiting for a pullback. Whenever it comes down, I'll enter. And again it can go all the way. Right. This is our first target. But if you want, you can just buy and hold it, or you just take multiple times. Whenever goes little bit up, you see that it is dropping, red candle is forming, you take the profits. Again, it went far away from the T5 line, took the profit. Again, it will come to the T5 line. Again, I'll enter long. Whenever it comes to this close to the T5 line, again check the confluence. Okay, this is still good. This is still good. This is still good. Like that, you check the confluence, and if you feel that okay, it came to the T5 line, and if you think it, or you can always go to 1 minute time frame. Right now it is dropping. You wait for 1 minute, go to 1 minute, and if you see a green candle in 1 minute, you can go long one more time because in 5 minutes we know that we are bullish. Price came all the way down and then started moving up. That means we are in a bullish trend in 5 minutes. Here also we are in a bullish trend. Here also this shows that there is nothing here. Your target is somewhere here. Your previous day low, previous day high will act as resistance when price is going from the bottom. So this is my target, but you don't know when to enter. So go to 1 minute. 5 minutes is bullish. Now go to 1 minute. And if you get a sell, you ignore that. But if you get a buy signal, P3 buy or PP buy or something, you can go and take a long position because your 5 minutes is long. Now you can take long in the 1 minute. So you can see that here, this is the target. Price can go all the way till here. That is where there are a lot of sell orders. So price will always try to go and grab that sell orders. That is your resistance. So you plan your trades in higher time frame. You execute your trades in the lower time frames. So now after all these red candles, you got a green candle, but still you don't have a confluence here. Here it is still showing red. Here it is still showing red. Whenever you see this confluence in the 1 minute, you can enter a long position. It may come all the way till here and then start going up. So whenever you get a buy signal in 5 minutes, you can come to 1 minute and you take the trades. It came all in 1 minute, it came to the premium zone. So there will be a pullback. Right? In 5 minutes, you don't know whether to hold the trade, you have to take profit, you have to close it. But if you go to 1 minute, you see that oh, in 1 minute it came all the way to the premium. So let me take the profit. Then immediately there is a pullback, it started dropping. But again, it will start going up because in 5 minutes, it is still bullish. But because price will not just go in one direction, there will be always higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So whenever that higher low is forming, if you are in 1 minute, you can avoid, right? You can book your profits quickly. It went all the way up, touch the premium zone, then book your profits and again wait for the buy signal. Next time again, it will go all the way till here. Now I'm just, yeah, I see that again buyers are trying to take the control, right? My momentum, 1 minute momentum is bullish, 5 minutes momentum is bullish. If you are in 1 minute, you need to look for one more time frame to be bullish. If you are in 5 minutes, you need to look for 15 minutes to be bullish. So in 1 minute, it is looking bullish, but I'm also waiting for these two confluence. If this also becomes green, this also becomes blue, then again I can go ahead and take a long position in on ES or on yeah, basically SPX or ES. Everything is same. Now I can go ahead and uh, yeah. Now the price is going above the T3 and T5 line. All this time it was below the T3, T5 and price pulse line. So we should wait. Whenever we see a candle above those, then we can go long one more time. This time it will go and go all the way till here, 58.15, or it may go all the way to 58.21. I took a long on ES one more time. So again, you can see trend is bullish, trend strength is good. This is bullish, this is bullish, this is bullish. If anyone want, they can even enter SPX calls. SPX. So entered 5790 call at 16.8. So even though it is $300, if you're copying into 10 accounts, that is a $3,000 trade. So that is the advantage with prop firms where you are not just making in one account. It should go all the way to the top. Here Nvidia is moving very good. So whenever the price goes above away from this line, again it will try to come back and again go up. And again it will come back, touch this T5 line and go up. So T5 is like its base location. So it will come, touch the base location and go up again. Now for Nvidia, the momentum, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, everything is green. Trend strength is also green. So there is a high possibility for Nvidia to go all the way to 117.5. That is the target. Buyers and sellers are trying hard. Buyers are trying to push it up. Sellers are trying to push it down. That's why there is some choppy price action here. But if buyers take the control, then they will take ES all the way to. So there is a high possibility for them to take here. We are still holding all our bull puts, all our calls. We are expecting Nvidia, SPX, everything to go up. This market makers are trying to scare retail traders by doing some stop loss hunting. But again, if you see in 5 minutes, 1 is bullish, 5 is bullish, 15 is bullish. There is lot of strength. Here we have lot of buyers. Here we have lot of buyers. Here you have lot of buyers. Here you have lot of buyers here. So even price comes to the bottom, sellers try to bring it down. These buyers are pushing the price up. If you are happy, you can take another $300-400 profit. And again, if there is a pullback, we can enter one more time. I took another $350 profit. And then again, I can go a little bit down. I can put my buy orders. It is moving huge. SPX 5790 call making huge. I take profits on SPX calls. 5799. Yeah. Again, I entered one more time. Right. I went little bit down because candle will never go up, right? It will always do a pullback. So I went little bit down and put my order, and again it is going up. Again, I can repeat the same. If it comes, that is good. Otherwise, that's also fine. That if it comes, you are buying at a low price. It is a bullish ticker. I'm buying at a low price. And again, I will make 300, $400, close it. Again, I'll wait for it price that to come little, right, come towards the T5 line. Right. Again, if we see a green candle, again we can enter long one more time. So again, it came to the T5 line. As long as it is above the price pulse line, that means we are bullish. The price pulse line should be blue. Your T5, T3 line should be green. As long as that is there, then we can keep on taking. Whenever it goes up, take profit. Whenever it comes down, again go long. Nvidia made a huge move in 16. Yeah, nearly 20% up. Yeah, big gains on Nvidia because Nvidia also may do a pullback and again go up. So it went all the way up, touch this one, may come down and again go up all the way. Again, it is trying to bounce back. So again, if these lines become green, again we can enter long one more time. Here we have the buyers. Here we have sellers. So it will try to move between both the lines. Buyers, there are more buyers, then it will break this. It will go all the way here. Just all about looking for the confluence, right? Whenever if I will wait for a buy signal now. If I get a buy, if I see this green, this blue, this one green, then I can enter long. So if you are a swing trader, you need to look for a bigger time frames. If you are a scalper day trader, you're doing for prop firms, mainly you need to look for 1, 5, 15. Only exception is when there are big buy order blocks. Otherwise, you just look at the table. Again, be ready to go long on ES one more time. So if price is going above the T5 line, T5, T3 line, that means it is becoming bullish again. You can put my stop loss below this. There are a lot of buyers here. So these buyers will try to push the price up. But if you want, we can have a stop loss below this buy order block. So again, we made another $100. And because price came all the way to the bottom, we can see the buyers here. We can see all the volume. And price was going above the T5 line. Again, it can go much higher. We got a price pulse buy, P3 buy. This is green, this is blue. So again, if it comes close to this T5 line, again, I can go and put my buy orders here. Again, there are a lot of buyers here. So even if price come, right, price came to the T5 line and again going up. So again, I took profit one more time. This is our target. Price will go and touch this price. That is where the sell orders are there. So always price will be moving between the buy orders and sell orders. It will try come and eat these buy orders and again go eat those sell orders. So whenever you are taking that 100, $150, you are copying into 10 accounts. So you are not waiting until last minute because when it touches, sometimes suddenly there can be a big red candle. So little before itself, I am taking the profits. So now if it breaks this, then it will go all the way till here. Anyone still holding Nvidia calls, take profits. Any free runners? Exactly it went to that 58.21, then started dropping. Right, Nvidia exactly went to that point where I mentioned there are a lot of sell orders. It went touching that 117.5. And take profits on workday. You can also take profits on SPX. So if it breaks 58.21, then it can go all the way to 58.30. That is our next target. So this is always previous day low, previous day high. They are our target one. If it is a bullish ticker, then previous day high is our target. If it is a bearish ticker, previous day low, low is our first target. So we made profits with ES bull puts, with SPX bull puts, with SPX calls, with Nvidia calls, with ZS, with Workday. We are holding EXPE and GD. We took profits on everything else. So if price comes here and then starts bouncing again, then we can enter bull puts one more time. But in case if it breaks this, then we can enter the bear call spreads. If it breaks this, it may come all the way down again. And here EMA 200 is helping it to go up. So we are waiting for a buy now. If we get a buy, we can again enter long position on ES. Again, we have to wait for the candle close for the signal to stay. Here we got a blue. Here also, if we get a green dot, again it will go all the way to the top. It's another $250. Again, if I get a pullback, I'll enter one more time. So you can do the same thing with NQ or ES. Just wait for this. So we got a T3 buy, we got a PP buy, we got a buy here, we got a blue here, we got green here, we got green here. We can see, right? We can see buy orders here, we can see buyers here, buyers here. So your risk is minimal. Then it came, touched the EMA 200, then it is acting as a strong support. It started moving up, but we waited for the buy signal. It might come a little bit down and again go up. So whenever you have three, four bullish candles, generally there will be a reversal, and so I'm waiting for the reversal to enter one more time. So most of the tickers we took yesterday also, they should move into profits in some time. Yeah, it's moving good again. PX is looking good again. This PX, if you want, you can do bull puts. I'm doing SPX 5785, 5775 bull put. English became bullish one more time. Yet again the same concept. We got PP buy, buyers, 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 buyers. Volume is good. At the same time, you can do with SPX bull puts. So if you're every time you're making 100, $200, every time it is like $2,000, $3,000. Because you're copying into, then profit again. I'll wait for it to again come little bit down, and again we can enter long one more time. Because it went all the way up, it is far away from the T5. There will be a pullback, and again it will go up. So you should not enter when a candle is far away from our T5 line. You should take the profits here, wait for candle to come here, and again you go long, again it will go up. It will try this time it may go and touch this. Then we can enter take profits one more time. If it breaks it, then it can go all the way till 58.30. It is trying to do the double bottom or double top. It started all the way from the bottom, started moving up. In next few minutes, again it will start. It may go to touch that 58.21.75 one more time, and then you can take profits on SPX bull puts. Take profits one more time. In case if it breaks 58.21, then it can go all the way to 50. There is a high possibility for it to go all the way to 58.32 because it was oversold. Maybe even 58.60 is also possible. The bulls are strong, then they can take it all the way to 58.60. Then there will be a pullback. Directly, it will not go there. There can be a pullback, and again, it can go. Just even if we just watch SPX or ES, that is good enough. We can just make money with ES and SPES with the futures and SPX. Unless we have those black swan events, 85 to 90% of the time we can make profits. EXP also moving huge. You can take profits on EXP. We are holding only GDA calls. Nvidia, PLTR, United Airlines, all of them also should move into profits in some time. Tesla puts, we sold a 12% collected premium. All of that also will move into nice profits. Yes, actually broke the previous day low, so it can go to 58.30. If we get a pullback, we can enter again. We can go all the way to 58.30 plus. So I took a long position. In case if it comes down, I'll enter one more long. It's a good opportunity to buy many good stocks at cheaper price. Yesterday we got Nvidia and also Tesla. So Tesla will move nicely. Nvidia also, if it breaks this, Nvidia should go all the way to $119. I think we'll wait for it to can break or it can reverse here. If it breaks this, then TSLL will go all the way to 12.7 or it can go to 13. But yeah, it already came all the way to the top. 10:30 it came all the way. So it might go until this. If it breaks this candle, then 58.50 is the next target. It broke the previous day high. Now it is trying to break the previous week low. If these two things are broken, then it will go all the way to this 58.51. So, yeah, if anyone holding ZS or Workday, yeah, they moved much more. XP, GD also will make nice profits in some time. We already made nearly 2000 today for the with the ES. So our first target is this one, 58.48. If ES breaks that, then 58.60 is the next target. There is a high possibility for 58.60. But always better you book the profits, and again, if there is a pullback, we can enter one more time. Actually, there is a big gap here, so don't enter. If you did not enter, don't enter. It may come here and again pull back, but you can wait for price to come here and then enter. Okay, there is a high possibility for 20,800. I'm still holding my ESSP. PLTR is moving good. Yesterday we got PLTR bull puts. They should move into profits in some time. I took profits on years now. There is a very high possibility for it to go high. Hey everyone, so we made nice profits with ZS, Workday, EXPE. Just we are holding GD. GD also should make huge profits. We took profits on SPX calls, SPX bull puts. We took profits on ESNQ, on NVIDIA. The only GD we are still holding, which I'll let you know whenever I book the profits. GD is also moving good. So it went all the way and then small pullback. It will keep going up. Tomorrow it can go to 256 to 258. So this is where we have resistance, 256.83. So we have more time to book the profits, except that we made profits on everything. So yeah, remaining alerts, if I see any good setups, I'll post in the options channel. SPX, I already mentioned, right? It went close to that resistance 30-40 minutes before itself. I mentioned this is the resistance. So it may go there and then we may see a drop around 58.51. Yeah, that's it, everyone. So again, now it is already overbought, so we should not buy any calls now. For SPX, we'll wait and we can take some bear calls after a few minutes. Everyone, so I hope you see like futures. If you have 5K, 10K, you can trade. So right by using the proper indicators, proper call fields. If there are no sudden major news or something, we can make 85, 90 or more. We saw with live examples how many trades we took. Nearly every of them gave huge profits. Because of the experience from yesterday, whenever we saw 30%, 40%, we took the profits because suddenly market dropped. So we did not hold. Otherwise, ZS, Workday, everything would have given 100 to 100%, 200%. Workday, EXPE, NVIDIA calls. GD, I think we got 255 or 250 calls. Yeah, I think we got 255 calls, which will make my profits too. TX, yeah, still looking bullish, but and already it moved 400 points up in 20,000. So today morning itself, I mentioned it will be. I thought after 15-20 minutes they will move it, but for the first half an hour, 1 hour, it was little bearish, and then it started bullish. Yeah, they want all retail traders to take the stop losses or everything, and then they will take the market up. So yeah, still it is looking DX still looking bullish, but you can do any bull puts below this 2280. If it comes here, this will act as support. Everyone, talk to you in the evening in the setup session. So every day we are making right $500-600 within just 1 hour in the evening time. So if anybody want to subscribe to those indicators, So if you do it right, if you learn, practice, if you do it right, there is huge potential with you can do with stocks, futures, options, whatever you want. Yeah, after 4 p.m. EST, you have to use 1 minute. After 7 p.m. to 9 p.m., you have to use 3 minutes. Yeah, still, there is not 1 hour resistance, but there are some sell orders here. So, yeah, still it is looking bullish as of now. Only there might be small pullbacks, but trend is very bullish. That's why everything. Yesterday we got the TSLL, we sold it full put. We can keep 100% tomorrow. In the same way for airlines, we got some bull puts. We can keep 100% tomorrow. For Tesla, we got 280, 282.5 bull put. Tomorrow or Thursday, Friday, we can keep 100% of that. So whenever there is a red day, if we do bull puts, after 1 or 2 days, we'll make nice profits on them because of implied volatility, theta decay. So we got all those things yesterday. So when we do swing trades, we should have patience. If we are doing scalping, they'll quickly move. But for swing trades, they may go up, come down, go up, come down. Especially bull puts, if you want to keep most of the credit, we should wait for more time. Then we can keep most of the credit. Yeah, and check the ALK bull put also will make profits. Everything will make profits. Just we have time until Friday. Right? For bull puts, you need to give time. Then theta decay, even if it doesn't, if it moves at same price, also will make profits. Nvidia, we already booked profits, and also we have March 21st. We have a bull put that will also make huge profits. If anybody holding Nvidia calls, that also made nearly 200%. Yeah, it's all about patience. Yeah. Okay, well, talk to you in the evening setup session. So we do setup sessions every day. Help the members to set up all with our prop firms. Today we made nearly $3,000-4,000 in each prop account. So we waited whenever it came to T5 line, we took the long. Whenever for ES or NQ, whenever price came to the T5 line, it went up, came down, pull back, again it went up, small red block went up. SPX, you can see the orders. You need to call IBKR, talk to their customer support. They will give you the futures permission. You don't need any other setup. Just like you buy stocks, you can do futures. You can go to YouTube and search on IBKR training, IBKR tutorials. You'll see. Yeah. Okay, well, talk to you. I'll do some analysis on the earnings. So yesterday we made nearly 500% with the uh, best to buy puts. So always use consistent position size. Right? If you're buying naked calls or naked puts, if you have a $30,000, use $1,000 on each trade. So even if you lose one trade, if the other trade is making 300, 400%, then you lost $1,000, but you made $4,000 with the other one. So you will be in profit at the end of the day. If you only take, that's why I'm limiting the earnings also. I'm only giving two or three so that you can just take those two or three trades at the end of the day. And also, I'm trying to give you naked calls or naked puts so that your risk is minimal. Again, credit spreads will make 85-90% of the time will make profit, but if one trade doesn't go right or if there can be some assignment issues, if we buy naked calls, naked puts, you don't have the assignment issue. So that's why I'm giving So we are making nearly 85% success with earnings also. So if you maintain correct position size, then you can make a lot of money. Always use same position size or always use the similar risk. If we are doing a SPX bull put, if the spread is $5, then you can take two contracts because the risk is $500 or $400 on each contract. If the spread is $10 and if your account size is 30,000, 1,000 for trade, so you take one contract. So you invest $1,000 or you risk $1,000 for every trade. Then you will be green at the end of the day. But if you use different position sizes for each trade, then yeah, you can. If there is one trade which doesn't go right, then that can impact all your profits from all other trades. Yeah. Okay, bro. Talk to you at 6 p.m. Yeah, NQ is looking around 20,800 today. You don't need real-time data in Ninja Trader for props to take automated trades. Yeah, bye, bro. Talk to you in the evening.